Hello, young mathematicians. Welcome to Reading Readiness Centers, your go-to place for fun learning. Today, we are diving into an exciting world of math, specifically an introduction to inequalities. Get ready to explore and have some algebraic fun. Let's start with the basics: inequality symbols. Imagine them as little math wizards telling us about relationships between numbers. We have the less than, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. These symbols help us compare numbers, just like friends comparing the heights of their cupcakes. For example, if we have cupcakes A and B, and cupcake A is taller, we use the greater than symbol to show this. The alligator mouth always chomps on the bigger number. We'd say a greater than B. Easy, right? Look at this seesaw. One side has 5 apples. The other has 3. Which side has more? That's right, 5. 5 is greater than 3. Imagine you have 2 magic number boxes, one labeled 15, and the other 20. The question is, how do they compare? Well, when we use the less than symbol, it's like asking which box has fewer enchanted treasures. So, when we say 15 is less than 20, what we are really saying is that the contents of the box labeled 15 are fewer or less than the treasures inside the box labeled 20. Here, we have 4 cupcakes on one side and 7 cupcakes on the other. The less than symbol helps us understand that 4 is less than 7. What if both sides have 4 cookies? They are equal. We use the equal sign to show this. 4 is equal to 4. Both sides are happy. Look at this scale balancing perfectly. Both sides have the same number of books. Let's say 7. We can write this as 7 books equal to 7 books. Both sides are equal, and the scale stays balanced. Now, let's look at the symbol greater than or equal to. If both sides are equal, like having 10 cupcakes on each side, we say 10 is greater than or equal to 10. Everyone gets the same amount of cupcakes. Imagine you have 2 stacks of magical books, one with 10 books and the other with 8 books. Now, when we use the greater than or equal to symbol, it's like checking which stack has the same or more books. So, in the case of 10 is greater than or equal to 8, it means the stack with 10 books not only has more books, but also includes the same number of books as the other stack. And lastly, less than or equal to symbol. This symbol tells us that 5 is less than or equal to 8. Think of it as sharing 5 cupcakes can happily share space with 8 cupcakes. So, 5 is less than or equal to 8. Imagine you have 2 enchanted potions, one with 5 drops, and the other with 5 drops as well. When we use the less than or equal to symbol, it's like checking if the potions have the same number of magical drops or if one has fewer. So, we can write as 5 is less than or equal to 5. Now, let's put our knowledge to work, solving and graphing inequalities. This is like making a visual map of our math adventures. Imagine you have a treasure chest full of numbers. We want to find the numbers that make our inequality true. Let's embark on a few quests together. Example number 1. Here, we have an inequality. 3x plus 2 is less than 11. We want to find the values of x. First step is to subtract 2 from both sides. We get 3x less than 9. Then, we divide 3 on both sides. 3x divided by 3 is less than 9 divided by 3. By solving, we discover that x less than 3. Graphically, it means all the numbers on our treasure map to the left of 3. Example number 2. Now, let's tackle 2y5 greater than or equal to 7. The first step is to add 5 on both sides. 2y5 plus 5 greater than or equal to 7 plus 5. We get 2y greater than or equal to 12. Now, we divide 2 on both sides. 2y divided by 2 is greater than or equal to 12 divided by 2. The solution is y greater than or equal to 6. Visually, it's like building a castle with numbers starting from 6 and going to the right. Example number 3. Lastly, let's solve 4z less than 20. The first step is to divide 4 on both sides. 4z divided by 4 is less than 20 divided by 4. The answer is z less than 5. Picture it as a magic garden where numbers are smaller than 5. And there you have it, young math enthusiasts. We've mastered the art of inequality symbols, solved equations, and created visual maps for our math adventures. If you enjoyed this journey, give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting math explorations. Until next time, keep learning and having fun at Reading Readiness Centers. See you on our next math adventure.